Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a photo grid on your iPhone. First, navigate to your phone's main settings application. Scroll down until you find and tap on the camera option. Inside the camera settings, you will see a switch labeled Grid. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. Now, when you open your camera app, you will see a helpful 3x3 grid overlay on your screen, ready to assist your photography. Using the photo grid significantly enhances your photography by guiding your composition. It helps you apply the rule of thirds, a fundamental principle for creating balanced and engaging images. By aligning key elements with the grid lines or their intersections, you can draw the viewer's eye more effectively. This simple tool helps you achieve more professional-looking photos, ensuring your horizons are level and your subjects are perfectly placed within the frame. To master the rule of thirds, imagine your photo frame is divided into 9 equal sections by the grid lines. The goal is to place your main subject or important elements not in the center, but along these lines or at their 4 intersection points. For example, position a person's eyes on an upper intersection or a horizon line along a horizontal grid line. This creates a more dynamic and visually appealing image than simply centering everything. Here are a few advanced tips for using your photo grid effectively. Remember, the grid is a guide, not a strict rule. Feel free to break it creatively once you understand it. Always ensure your horizons are perfectly straight by aligning them with one of the horizontal grid lines. Experiment with placing subjects slightly off-center for a more artistic feel. Consistent practice will help you develop an intuitive understanding of composition, leading to stunning photographs every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.